Sean, guys, and today we're at the Summer Fun Festival where we are looking at all the different activities like BMXing, gymnastics and circus skills and so much more. Hope you can stick with us to see all the other activities. My finish ticket to circus, and I don't know what it's called, but basically you have to sort of swing around it and do all sorts of tricks on the rope, and I'm going to have a try for myself. First of all, I have to get through this line, probably the hardest challenge. Dizzy. My hands are killing me. Look at that, all that red. It does hurt, but it was really fun. It was worth it.
This is the tightrope. Not many people know this, but I actually have a Guinness World Record in this. I'm the second last one in the whole bunch. Obviously this is a slightly different type of rope here. Not the same that I used to practice with, but hey, what can you do?
Go on.
Yeah, I'm a little bit rusty, it's been quite a few years.
What's your name first?
Harry Gorman.
Harry Gorman. And what are you doing for summer? What's your activity? BMX. And how long have you been doing BMX?
9 years.
9 years, wow. And that's very good, first of all. And how did you get into the interest of BMX?
Yeah, YouTube videos, just watching stuff.
So you just saw all this on YouTube and thought, wow. Do you want to go to the Olympics anytime?
Yeah.
Represent your country? Yeah. And are you doing any activities later?
Few competitions.
Few competitions, wow. What did you do to make your BMX fun?
Well, I don't only BMX, I do a lot of skateboarding.
So, do you like to do like a lot of bikes? Like, do you like a lot of manual vehicles, something like that? So apart from obviously practicing cycling. What's your favourite sort of vehicle?
I'd have to say skateboarding.
That was so much fun. I enjoyed everything. The circus, the me playing chess, it was so much fun. But unfortunately, it had to come to an end. See you next week.
This is the tightrope. Not many people know this, but I actually have a Guinness World Record in this. I'm the second last one in the whole book. Obviously this is a slightly different type of rope here. Not the same that I used to practice with, but hey, what can you do?